Here's interesting app. It's called Swift Alert. If you're a Taylor Swift app, definitely check out this app. As Taylor Swift has this global tour, this is a nice app to have. Ultimate app for Swifties. Swift Alert will keep you connected to the shows and the music. Use the news feed of key fan accounts, concert dates in your time zone, and real-time alerts, so you can check out live streams. Surprise Song Tracker will ensure you always know the latest surprise songs, and trivia quizzes will give you a chance to test your knowledge and show off your Swiftie status to your friends. Yeah, so here is the app, and then you can just see it here. It's kind of quite developed in a while, and there are a lot of new features. You can upgrade to lifetime access for $2, and then you can see games. So like you can just go some and do some quizzes, just to know more about Taylor Swift's career, different types of games, and then there are some partners where you can go and buy some Swift Alert shop, different types of fan shops. This is not an official shop, I guess, but this is like your fan shops. So which you can see here. Then there is newsfeed. Then there are some accounts from Instagram, just like top accounts, also from Taylor Swift, but also from fan accounts, all in one place. So you can just follow them all in one place. Then you can have some nice live streams, probably from some fan accounts and stuff like that. And then, of course, you can just enable notifications. Swift alerts, customizable alerts for each era and concert news. You can see, I don't know, some new tour announcements instantly delivered when there is a new tour date, or there is a new tour in a new tour from like in some new location. And if you don't have this tour notification in any other app, this can be handy. And then you can see some upcoming events in a lot of places. You can see openers, and then you can see a lot of different concerts here and all the tours which you have here. And so that's the idea here, which you can just a nice app to have for you, just to to follow the Eras tour and to play some games and to follow the accounts and all of that. So something around it.